I was just going through my Facebook groups trying to help people out answer insulation questions. And now that it's getting cold, a lot of people are asking questions about how to insulate the basement, particularly the rim joists. One of the things that always pops up every year, pretty much every post related to this, is spray foam. No, it's the worst thing ever. It promotes moisture and causes decay. So I just wanted to address that. That's not the case, and I'm going to tell you why. The reality is that when applied correctly, closed cell spray foam acts as a moisture barrier. It keeps condensation from forming on your home's vulnerable surfaces like the rim joist. Instead of moisture creeping in and causing mold or rot, spray foam locks it out. If your old home is prone to moisture problems, spray foam is one of the best lines of defense you can install to prevent decay, not promote it. The phrase "an old house needs to breathe" is something I often hear, and while there's truth in it, it's frequently misunderstood. What people mean by this is that older homes were built with less airtight construction, which allowed for natural air exchange. However, relying on leaks and drafts to ventilate a home isn't the best way to manage airflow or maintain good indoor air quality. There are simple solutions to balance sustainability, comfort, and good indoor air quality. Proper attic ventilation with intake air up the soffit, through the baffle, and to the ridge vent is one part of it. Inside ventilation is another part, to include things like your HVAC systems with returns and exhaust fans that, when they work properly, vent out moisture. If you really think about it, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to rely the outside air to do those things, but in the attic, of course that does make sense. Old homes are notorious for drafts and air leaks, especially around the rim and band joists. These areas let conditioned air escape and allow unconditioned air to enter, throwing your heating and cooling system into overdrive. Spray foam seals up all those gaps. It stops unwanted airflow, making your home significantly more energy efficient. Instead of your house feeling drafty and uneven, spray foam actually keeps it consistently comfortable top to bottom. It's not trapping moisture, it's actually trapping energy saving. If the foundation and existing moisture problems are managed correctly, closed cell spray foam is not only safe for old houses, it's often one of the best solutions for insulation. It improves energy efficiency, it limits air leakage, and it prevents moisture problems, all of which can extend the life of your house. So if this is something that interests you, it's really cool stuff, I want you to subscribe, I want you to check out my channel. Thanks for watching.